Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I'm just opening this vlog. I'm carrying you along because I wasn't able to film when we were harvesting the olives, so I will take you people to the olive farm today. Although we have harvested the olives already, sorry, I had problems with my camera, my device and all, so I couldn't film the process of harvesting olive and how we made the olive oil. So I'll just take you along because we're going there to clear the farm. It's a normal thing that they do here. When it's time to harvest the olives, they harvest the olives, but you cannot gather the dirt and burn them. You wait a few months later, then it's time that you can start setting fires in your farm. That's when everybody goes to their farm, clears the whole remaining stuffs, gather them and burn them. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm carrying you along with me so you get to see that. All right, come along, let's go. Alright, so the work is going on. Right now, we finished collecting from the farm on the top. Okay, these are olives. Let me just turn my back so you see. These are olives behind me. Okay, so we're collecting the woods and then we're gonna burn the remnants. Okay, we finished from the farm on the top. We want to do the one down here. We have olives down here. I will just okay, so that's my father-in-law's tractor. That's my husband cutting the wood, and we're just going to, let me see, I hope you people can see. We're just going to cut the woods and then put them in the truck because olive woods are very good. In winter time, when you want to start your fire, you use your olive woods. It is super good. And even if you're someone that sells woods, you will really make money from selling olive woods because olives and oranges are like the most expensive woods that you sell. All right, so let me stop talking and I will just show you people what we're doing a little bit. Okay, I will flip the camera around now. Let's go. guys. Okay, so we finished cutting the woods and loading them on the tractor. Now we have to push the remnants out. I'm still standing under the olive tree, so I'm still in the olive farm. This is my father-in-law's olive farm. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna flip the camera over and I'm gonna show you what we have to do next. We have to go now and push all the woods to where we're going to set fire on them and burn them. That's what we're doing right now, so I'm just gonna flip. We're loading the woods where we're going to burn them. So I will just show you, we've gathered all of them from the farm. Excuse me, I don't fall. We've gathered all of them from the farm and we dropped them down on the road right here. By the way, here you people see this is the old village. Okay, when they used to fight wars. If you know the Greek history, they fought a lot of wars with a lot of people. I'm not even going to get into that. Okay, so this is the farm. From there, all these are the olives, all the way to here, and the other is someone else's. Okay, yes, so we're going to take all these stuffs and I'll just take you people to where we have the things gathered here. So we're going to set the fire like so. So we're going to heap everything here and set the fire to it, okay? Here it is. Right now we started the fire and as you can see the fire is burning, and after this then we are done for today. Okay, let me put the camera the way you see it. So these are all the remnants from the olive